Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placement. So let's see what's for you for the rest of August, okay, in general, and tingnan na din natin yung iyong person. Okay, the person on your mind. So, syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so, yes, may available tayong Evil Eye for protection. Okay, Evil Eye protection. So, ito sila. So, again, isa-isahin natin. Okay, so, ring natin is adjustable po. Ha, ganyan po ha, ang ating Evil Eye ring. This is adjustable. Okay, so, okay. So, ito naman, meron tayong dalawang bracelet. Okay, ito suot ko yung isa. Ito naman yung isa. Yung suot ko is garterized. Okay, ito namang isa, yung, tawag dyan, adjustable. Okay, so ito po is available in red string din. Okay, and pwede mo nyo palagyan ng inyong initial. Okay, so yes, pwedeng ipa-customize ito. Okay, and syempre yung ating Evil Eye protection necklace. So yung necklace natin is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and this is unisex. Okay, so doon naman tayo sa ating tatlo o yung ating big three. So gamit ko yung isa nandito. Okay, so yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay, so for money and for love. Okay, so meron siyang citrine. So, for, sabihin nating good money flow. Okay? Papunta sa'yo. And yeah, so ang dala niyan ay more sales, parang ganyan. Okay? And yeah, wealth, prosperity, abundance. Ang dala ng, tawag dyan, citrine stone. Okay, na nandito sa ating charm na to. And syempre, hindi lang yun, syempre, pati love. Okay, so good connections, union, harmony, mga ganyan po, no? And yung ating granter, so si granter yung tagapag-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng surprises at least twice per week. Okay, so non-tarnish, yeah, hypoallergenic, and this is made to order po ha, yung ating granter. And ano pa ba? Yeah, yun lang. So, I need your real name. Okay, pagdating sa mga to. And syempre, yung ating ito. At okay, ito. Itong ating tinatawag na cord cutting. So, pang-alis ng alat. Pang-alis ng MALAS. Okay, so, pwede yan sa business. Pwede yan sa, tawag dyan, sa bahay mo. Sa pang-sarili mo. Okay? So, kapag sa bahay at sa business, sa front door nyo ilalagay. Okay? Yung basta makikita. Magbablock yan ng mga, sabihin nating negative energies. Okay? So, let's see. And again po, yung ating palang pang-cleanse. So, ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite crystal. So, pang-recharge, pang-charge po, no, ng ating mga charms. Okay? So, kung may tanong pa, yeah, just message me. Okay, so for Sagittarius placements, in general, what's for you? What's for our Sagittarius placements? In general, for the rest of August. Okay, and the Six of Wands, this is victory, success. Okay, award, recognition, mga ganyang bagay. Ano tong Six of Wands? The Moon in reversed. What's with this Moon in reversed? The three, okay. So, ito, energy ito ng mga evil eye. Kung meron man po, Sag, okay, kung meron man na something na may mangyaring maganda ngayong August or bago matapos ang August, merong mga mata, oo, mga mata na talaga namang sabihin nating hindi nila gustong makita ka na nagwawagi. Ha? Okay, ayaw nila yon. Ayaw nila yon. Ayan, oh. Hindi sila sanay sa ganito mo. Pero yeah, sabihin nating may chance na may mangyaring maganda bago mag-end ang August in all aspects, no? So, ingatan mo lang ang iyong frequency at energy. Okay? Kailangan lang. Iba dito, makukuha mo naman yung gusto mo. Meron lang doubt akong nakukuha sa'yo. Okay? So, parang sinasabotahin mo na yung sarili mo pag ganyan. Okay? So, 6 of Cups and the King of Wands. So, namimiss ka nung player. Namimiss ka nung player. Or in general, may mga tao dito, kung sino man tong tinalikuran mo kasi andito ka, tinalikuran mo, they want to connect or maybe they want to reconnect. They miss you. Yeah, the Chariot in reversed. Parang kailangan nilang kumonek sa'yo. Some of you, this is your past person. What else? The 9 of Swords. Somebody is sabihin nating kinakabahan. I don't know bakit. I don't know kung meron ditong haharap, no? Kasi meron ditong parang preparation ako naririnig or nararamdaman na preparation para sa iba sa inyo. Andun yung kaba. I don't know. Some of you are awardan eh. Meron ako naririnig na ganyan. Nandun yung kaba. Mga ganyang bagay. The Knight of Wands in reversed. The Ace of Pentacles. The 6 of Pentacles. Meron ditong gustong makipagayos, ha? Meron ditong gusto makipagayos pero hindi ka na naive, no, sa taong to. Kilala mo na sila. So, decision mo na lang. Okay? So, good decision making. Oo, ang kailangan dito. Kasi gusto nilang makipagayos, gusto nilang maging, sabihin nating makipag-reconnect, mga ganyang bagay. The player. They miss you. Maybe they need you. They're in their head. Stress. This person, sabihin natin kinakailangan ka. Okay, so may chance po na mag-reach out itong taong to. Kasi kanina, nag-shuffle ako, nakita ko pangalan to, si Page of Swords na naka-reverse, meaning to say that somebody's stalking you. Okay, you have a stalker, Sag. So, let's see the person on your mind. Okay. So, the person on Sagittarius mind. Anong meron? Who is this? The person on Sagittarius mind. The person on your mind. Who is this? The 6 of Pentacles. So, iba sa inyo ngayon, pwedeng nakikipagbalikan to. Yan na nga ba, sinasabi natin. So, the 6 of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune. So, every time na babalik itong taong to, parang hindi mo naman magawang i-direct or sabihin nating mabigyan yung iyong sarili ng magandang direksyon. Okay? So, para siyang kapag bumabalik ka ay para siyang panggulo. Nababalik to, oh. Okay, bumabalik siya. So, nakikipagbalikan po itong taong to ngayon. Kung walang nakikipagbalikan sa inyo, so, gawin yung gabay. Kasi baka mamaya may makipagbalikan. Ha? So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? See, they miss you. The 6 of Cups. This is your past. Oh no, they just want to play. They just want the FUCK. They miss it. They missed it. Missing the FUCK. Okay. So, let's see. What is their emotion? What is their emotion deep down? And their intention. Tingnan na din natin. Okay. Strength. Oh, pumupursige, no? The Emperor in reverse. That's a red flag. Yeah, this is a red flag. See? Wala silang ibibigay na love offer. Okay, this is pang sarili na pangangailangan kung bakit po bumabalik. Okay, so you don't need to expect something good. You don't need to expect love offer from this person. Okay, don't settle for less, mga Sag. Their intention is to control you. They want to control you. So, umpisa lang para kang aamuin. And then, ikaw na, yung mga amo sa kanya. Eventually. So, let's see ano ba ang next action niya. The Five of Swords. So, they will just give you a lot of confusion. This is mixed signals. This is head games, mind games. Okay? Yeah. So, hindi nila ipapakita kung ano ba ang totoo. Okay? Ikaw itong mag-iisip lang na mag-iisip. Ano bang meron? Ikaw itong parang paghihintayin nila na kung ano man ng parang gusto mong kaliwanagan. Paghihintayin ka nila. Pag-iisipin. Outcome, potential outcome. Let's see. So, yeah, there's this reconnection. Okay, the Two of Cups. Okay, so 'di ba si Page of Swords? Kanina nakita ko 'to, nakita na naman natin. And the Page of Pentacles. Okay, don't expect okay, na itong taong to is magiging committed. They're just playing. They're just playing, okay? What's with this Two of Cups? This is an offer. The Two of Pentacles. Ikaw itong mag-iisip na, bakit pa ako nakipagbalikan? Dapat hindi na pala. See? The Three of Cups in the reversed. Dapat pala hindi na pala. Siya. Diba? Sana naka-move on na ako. Bakit pa ako bumalik? Or bakit pa ako nakipag-ayos? See? The Empress in reverse. Yan na naman. Mawawala ka na naman sa direction if ever. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Sagittarius. All signs, Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Okay. Oops. Okay. The person you're dealing with or dealt with. So, Aries. Okay. So, there's this energy of endings. Backstabbing. Taurus, they're sad. Looking for you. Longing, craving, aching. Gemini, there's this energy of injustice, infidelity. There's imbalance. Something is hidden. So, Cancer, meron silang gustong gawin. Meron silang gustong parang ang tawag dito, madaliin. Yeah. So, Leo, they have trust issues, or maybe you don't need to trust this Leo. Virgo, they're bitter. They're bitter. They're sad. Libra, no progress. Some of you, there could be a third party involved. Okay. Scorpio, they're attracted, physically attracted. Sagittarius, they're letting you go. Capricorn, they're freeing themselves, like ang tawag dito, ayaw nila na ma-stuck. Okay, so Aquarius, ayaw nila ng reconciliation with you, ayaw nila ng reconnection, or maybe there's this energy of sabihin nating walang pagbabalikan with an Aqua. And Pisces, they're thinking of you. Okay, their focus is on you. They're overthinking. Yeah, they're overthinking. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yun pong ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yes, pakihanap na lang po kung kayo ay nanonood sa YT. So again, thank you. Goodbye.